Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be talking about how to start a credit score repair business for beginners. This is a great business opportunity for anyone who is interested in helping people improve their credit scores. What is credit score repair? Credit score repair is the process of disputing inaccurate or outdated information on your credit report. This can help to improve your credit score, which can make it easier to get approved for loans, credit cards, and other forms of credit. How to start a credit score repair business. Decide if the business is right for you. This is a complex and regulated industry, so you need to be sure that you are up for the challenge. You should also have a good understanding of the credit repair process and the laws that govern it. Brainstorm a credit repair business name. Your business name should be clear, concise, and easy to remember. It should also be relevant to your business and industry. Create a credit repair business plan. Your business plan should outline your goals, strategies, and financial projections. It should also include a marketing plan and an operational plan. Apply for licenses and permits. The specific licenses and permits you need will vary depending on your state. Get the necessary insurance. Credit repair businesses are considered high-risk businesses, so you should get liability insurance to protect yourself from lawsuits. Set up a business bank account and credit card. This will help you to keep your business finances separate from your personal finances. Get credit repair software. This software will help you to automate the credit repair process. Market your business. You can market your business through online and offline channels. Provide excellent customer service. This is essential for building a successful credit repair business. Automating the credit repair process. Yes, there are ways to automate the credit repair process. However, it is important to note that the laws governing credit repair are complex and ever-changing. As such, it is important to work with a lawyer who specializes in credit repair law to ensure that you are complying with all applicable laws. Here are some of the ways to automate the credit repair process. Use credit repair software. There are a number of credit repair software programs available that can help you to automate the process of disputing inaccurate or outdated information on your credit report. Hire a credit repair team. There are a number of credit repair companies that offer services to automate the credit repair process. Do it yourself. If you are comfortable with the credit repair process, you can do it yourself using a variety of online resources. There are a number of websites that can help you start a credit score repair business. Here are a few of them. Credit Repair Cloud. Credit Repair Cloud is a software platform that can help you automate the credit repair process. Starting a credit score repair business can be a great way to help people improve their credit scores and achieve their financial goals. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can start your own successful credit score repair business.